Welcome to the SQ450 base range assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the spider, and the base. You will need thread lock and an impact drill. Firstly, unscrew the pre-assembled screws from the top and bottom of the column. Identify the different ends of the column and place the diagonal holes face up. Grab the spider and place it on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to two of the screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. Flip the base over so the spider is face down. Grab the base, place it on top and line up the holes. Again, apply thread lock to the remaining screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The SQ450 base ranges are available in both a table and dry bar height, with various colour finishes including Danube Black, Porto White or Prague Stainless Steel. They have adjustable foot glides and are perfect for any hospitality or office application.